how to be relevant to your prospects. Getting anyone's attention is harder than ever. In digital sales, you compete with anything that takes the customer's attention from you. We do not see ads, banners, or messages that don't relate to something that's already in our brain. So the key to resonate with customers is to be relevant. But how? Find people with an interest or a problem that you can solve and refer to it when reaching out. Too easy? But to be truly relevant, it has to be real. It has to be you who defines what's the best angle for each person. And that's time-consuming. I've designed a way to apply sales messages to others in the same context to maintain your personal touch at scale. It's about scaling with quality, not quantity. The system helps to keep track of buying signals across channels to match them with the most relevant sales proposition. I've designed a one-on-one program to guide you in person with the process, the tools, and the learning experience, everything that you need to succeed. You will get access to the Learning Center that contains step-by-step guides in 5 modules. Each one has the learning resources, presentation, and exercises that will help you to build up your system. The content goes from the baseline to the advanced level, including actionable templates that you can clone and start using straight away. I'll be working in person with you with the tools you use and need, working with real-life situations in practical meetings that make you dig deeper into your sales process, get new perspectives, and so get insights to reach a clear vision of what to do. So you can relax, have fun, and be confident about your sales. So go ahead and book a free call to discuss your case.